Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to export your project or videos from Wondershare Filmora X. So this is the procedure. So the first way is, you see here you have export. You can click here and follow the procedure, or also you can see we do have another export here. So you can choose whichever suits you for the Wondershare Filmora X editing software. So let's use this for example. You just click export, then it brings these tabs here. So you need to choose. So let's say you want to upload to YouTube, you click here, whether to Vimeo, to export to the device, or you want to create a video. So for this, my advice is always create a video, because maybe you need to also cross-check by watching it for some time to see whether everything is okay. After you have already previewed here, maybe something overlooked might be an issue in your video. So it's good always to create a video, so that you just save it to your computer and then do some fine-tuning, maybe by checking and overviewing and seeing whether everything is okay. So when you click export and create video, it brings you to this tab. So make sure that if it is a video, it is in the MP4 format. Here is the name of the video. So let's say, for me, I'll just call it my video. For me, I'll not change anything. So where you want to save to, you can choose here. So if the link to where it's going to save is not okay with you, just click browse and then you change the settings. The most important thing you need to change is go to the settings here. Most of the time is always in the beta. So in the beta, you'll find that this will change to 10,000 when you go to best. So if you see when I click good, this will always change. So you have beta, then you have the best. So always make sure that you have selected best and it is in 10,000 kbps. So for this, it depends with what quality you want your video to be. 4K, HD, depends, 720, 380, or depends with you. So you see, for me, I'll just leave it as it is, as per the software settings. So after you have done everything, it's okay. Even this, the FPS, you can change as per your own desires. But for me, as my advice, I can advise you, after editing with this software, the best thing you can do, don't change so much on this, because it maybe affect the quality of the video in a negative way. So just leave it at the way it is as per the software specs. So this one also is just the way you wish. You can decide to choose MPEG form if you wish, but for me, my advice also, it's not meant to be. The only thing you need to change is just here, which will only affect here. But this one I can really advise, you can change this, doesn't affect anything so much. I can even move this from 10,000 to 20,000. That's for YouTube, especially YouTube, where videos is very good for that. So then you just click OK. After click OK, you'll see that it will give you the size, and then you just click, don't change anything else, just click export. This will just export this video to the link it showed you in the previous. So this video will be exported to that link, and as you can see now, it's being exported. It's just creating the video as it exports to your destination. So that is all. That is how you need to export your video to your computer. So thank you guys for watching.